Well, move the water bottle over.
I think it's straight. Hey, that's how we gonna start this bit. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Eli Tucson. I'm here with
Aaron Garfield.
Hey, you feel me? Nigga, you ain't gotta say your whole government name.
Nigga, I ain't say my government.
Oh, alright. Anyways, though, we got a little mukbang, you feel me? What we got so far? I got a little cotton candy. What you got? Yeah. Got sticky shit. You think they bit from the bush?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. What you rate the little? Wait, what color you got?
Vanilla.
I got cotton candy. Hey, bro, I'm telling y'all, when I say I'm slow, like, not a, what's it called? Damn, what I was finna say? I don't know. What's it called? What you rate your thing? I don't. That's delivery and pickup, though. Oh, that's it. We got the food. We got 20 minutes. And, what's the bottle?
Damn, I think I almost busted it.
We got the goddamn.
Take it off.
It's the fries, yeah.
It's alright.
I ain't gonna lie, this is my first mukbang, you feel me? Ooh, my shit on my face. Yeah. See, I got a little pig shit.
Nigga, that's a damn vlog.
Nigga, this is my first mukbang.
Wait.
Nigga, I ain't doing mukbang before.
Nigga, we did a mukbang.
Nigga, when I did a mukbang?
It was a while ago.
Bro, they supposed to cut my shit like a little slices. Damn, bro. It's so fucking nasty.
You did it with your sister, nigga.
Really?
Nigga, I don't know.
Right now, I got good cheese. So far.
I got a motherfucking
Got
triple steak burger.
triple thing. But I really shouldn't be eating this shit. Cause I got this shit. Literally. I dead ass shouldn't be talking about this, man. What it so they can see your face. Y'all don't got down. Yeah.
How was it? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Say 7 out of 10. I can make it better.
Which one more?
I can make grilled cheese better.
Oh. Bro.
Got
I'm about to start snacking this burger. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. I'm bugging.
Damn.
I'm bugging.
Nah, this shit good though.
Tomato in
Y'all niggas probably can't hear us.
it. Nah.
You think we gonna get copyright though?
I don't even know what this song is.
Nigga, I don't know either. Like, YouTube be on that though. I hope not. Nigga, that's a black and white photo. How they got black? I meant green.
I was talking about it the other day.
That don't make no sense. Nigga, everything is black and white, like the pictures. I want these too bad. You ain't getting it.
You wrong for that.
You know what? Yeah. Food back. That shit good.
No, I'm not.
Nigga, you know how black people is. Only thing they got.
Nah, somebody drink. Oh my. Somebody over there.
Yeah, I saw. Is coffee over there? That little cup.
Wait, what?
That coffee? Drink coffee at this time.
That's weird. But shit.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, it's been 6 minutes already.
Nigga, 6 minutes of enjoyment. Goddamn.
That shit feel like 3.
Dead ass. No. Goddamn. I really hope y'all niggas can hear this. Like, what's it called? I like being. I like being.
Good.
Y'all saw how that nigga look when you say that?
Oh, shit, bro.
Hey, y'all. You got a little white thing.
Nigga, I need to stop. Oh, it's still in there. Nigga was one napkin. What the fuck? Ain't no goddamn way.
Yeah. What one neck gonna do?
I don't know. They see 2 niggas here.
It's just a water.
I know. I'll tell you.
Right, y'all.
They violate. They took my fries in there, man. They just do that shit in there.
Do the army rated R?
Army? What?
No, this is the R thing.
What you mean? Oh, I don't know what that is for.
Reserve. Goddamn. Rated R. Goddamn.
You can do it.
Indeed.
I got the shit up my pants, bro. This last time I did it on my nigga phone. Oh my god. Hell no.
That's what I was looking at.
Everybody leaving now.
What time it is? You think we finna be late?
Hell yeah. Hello. Oh shit. You have to meet your sister.
We done.